Blessed afternoon, everyone. Now to the message of the Secretary of Education. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Office of the Secretary. Secretary Sandy Amparo. As we close school year 2024-2025, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our learners, teachers, school staff, parents, and partners who have been part of this shared journey. This year's theme, Inyasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay ng Bagong Pilipinas, underscores our collective effort in strengthening our education system to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving world. I have seen this commitment firsthand in my visits to schools across the country. I have met learners who wake up before dawn to walk kilometers to learn, teachers who go beyond their duty, and parents who sacrifice to provide their children with better opportunities. These realities push us to craft enduring reforms through the 5-point reform agenda. We have taken concrete steps to address classroom shortage, to strengthen our workforce by filling critical personnel, accelerate digitalization, enrich career pathways, and implement policies that lead to lasting systematic improvements. We open the doors of our offices and schools to our partners in the private sector to make all of this happen. Beyond solving existing challenges, we are also spearheading the groundwork for a future-ready education system. Our goal is not just about an uptick in numbers. Our goal is for every Filipino child, no matter where they are, to have the opportunity for learning, growth, and success. To our teachers and school staff, your dedication is the foundation of this transformation. Your hope and hard work are the reason we are making progress. To parents, board of and guardians, your support at home shapes the aspirations of our learners and inspires them to strive for more. To our students, to our learners, you are the heart of everything we do. Your dreams fuel our drive to make education better and more inclusive. And for our graduates and completers of school year 2024-2025, congratulations! You are the generation that binds all of us together. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, bring with you the values of perseverance, resourcefulness, and compassion. Remember the 3 values: perseverance, resourcefulness, and compassion that define us as Filipinos. As we move forward, DepEd, under the administration of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., DepEd remains committed to raising the quality of education, strengthening governance, and ensuring that our youth reach their full potential. With an unyielding commitment to equity, we will build a stronger, more inclusive education system for generations to come. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang edukasyon ng Bagong Pilipinas. Signed, Sandy Angara, Secretary, Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.